Hi everyone, it's Joanna here. Don't we all just wish that our body is able to burn fat more efficiently all day long? Well, I know I do. When it comes to burning fat, it is highly associated with our body's metabolism. Yup, your fat burning machine is your body's metabolism. Therefore, it is safe to say that if we can keep our metabolism healthy and active, then we would be able to turn on our fat burn mode throughout the day, which can also help with weight loss. So in this video, I would like to share with you some of the top workouts and food choices that can boost your metabolism and encourage your body to continue burning fat all day long. So, before we get into the food and workouts, let's first understand your body's metabolic rate, which is also referred to as the body's total daily energy expenditure. TDEE is basically the number of calories one burns in a day. TDEE is different for everybody and is influenced by four main components: basal metabolic rate, BMR, exercise activity thermogenesis, EAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, NEAT, and thermic effect of feeding, TEF. Basal metabolic rate, or often known as BMR, constitutes 60 to 70% of our TDEE. BMR is the minimum number of calories that your body needs to function at rest. Next is the exercise activity thermogenesis, which constitute about 5 to 10% of our TDEE. It refers to planned, structured, and repetitive physical activities such as hitting the gym or going for a jog. On the other hand, non-exercise activity thermogenesis refers to the energy we burn through non-sports activities such as doing house chores, cooking, and even small movements like fidgeting or playing a musical instrument. NEAT makes up about 10 to 20% of our TDEE. And the final component is the thermic effect of feeding, which makes up about 10% of our TDEE. This refers to the amount of energy we use to eat, digest, and metabolize our food. So with this information, we know that in order to promote more fat burn throughout the day, we should be looking at improving the biggest contributor to our TDEE, which is our BMR. Here are the top 3 workout modes to improve your BMR. Strength training is a mode of training that helps you increase your muscular strength and build lean muscle mass. Strength training is important because your BMR is largely determined by your total lean muscle mass. So muscle mass burns more calories than fat. For every pound of lean muscle mass, your body burns an additional 14 calories a day, whereas a pound of fat only burns 2 to 3 calories. Hence, the more lean muscle you have on your body, the higher your BMR will be, which increases your body's fat-burning ability. Examples of strength training include exercises with gym machines or free weights such as dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, or equipment such as a resistance band, or even body weight exercises such as push-ups and pull-ups. So those who add strength training 2 to 3 times a week burns significantly more fat than those who only perform cardio exercises. High-intensity interval training, or more commonly known as HIIT, involves quick, intense bursts of activity. Some common exercises used in a HIIT session are burpees, squat jumps, and sprinting. The whole goal is to push your body into an anaerobic state and for you to empty your tank. This will not only help you burn tons of calories in a short period of time, however, it will also help keep your metabolism elevated even after your workout is over through a process called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, or more commonly known as the afterburn effect. This refers to all of the oxygen and energy in the form of calories that your body takes in and uses after exercise to help repair your muscles and recover. The afterburn effect can last up to 36 hours. Therefore, HIIT has become a famous training mode as it is known to help fire up your metabolism throughout the entire day. Compound exercises are multi-joint movements that are designed to target multiple muscle groups at one time. Examples of compound movements include squat to shoulder press, lunges, push-ups, and plank row. Most compound exercises will not only challenge your muscular fitness, but it will also get your heart rate up and improve your cardio fitness while burning lots of calories. To simplify how doing compound exercises could boost your metabolism, let us look at our muscles as a factory. The more muscles we work at one time, the more energy is needed to power the factory, thus increasing our body's metabolism. So most of my workout videos are based on compound movements. Do check them out on my YouTube channel, and they are perfect, especially for those of you who have very limited time. Right, now that you know the right type of workouts to start including into your fitness routine, let us not neglect the most important aspect to weight loss, which is our food. Here are my top 5 functional foods that are known to help you boost your metabolism. As mentioned previously, our metabolism is linked to our muscle mass. Therefore, it is important to always fuel our muscles with the protein it needs. The guideline to follow is that 20 to 30% of your total daily calories should come from protein. This can be easily met by including a serving of protein such as lean meat, fish, nuts, legumes, or yogurt at every meal and snack. This in turn will ensure that our muscles continue to efficiently function as a powerhouse to burn fat as fuel throughout the day. On top of that, did you know that protein causes the largest rise in thermic effect of feeding in comparison to carbs or fats? This is because protein takes longer for the body to break down, which means that it needs more calories to digest, absorb, and process the nutrients in your meals. It can increase your metabolic rate by 15 to 30%, compared to 5 to 10% for carbs and only 0 to 3% for fats. Therefore, consuming plenty of protein can make you burn an extra 150 to 200 calories in a day. Plus, you will feel full and prevent overeating. Studies have shown that caffeine in coffee can boost metabolism by 3 to 11%. This is why if you were to take a look at fat burners, most of them have caffeine as the #1 ingredient. Now, that doesn't mean that you should just be sipping on coffee all day long and be a caffeine addict and expect to lose weight. You still need to put the effort in. Drinking a cup of black coffee before a workout can improve your workout performance, speed up your metabolism, hence help you burn fat more efficiently. And that's something I personally practice. 1 cup of coffee right before my training session. This next food is probably one of your favorite desserts, dark chocolate. Yup, dark chocolate is definitely one of the yummiest snacks out there that can help you boost your metabolism. The monounsaturated fats present in dark chocolate is not only known to boost your metabolism, but also improve your gut flora, thus improving digestion. In addition, dark chocolate also contains an amino acid called tryptophan that your brain uses to produce the neurotransmitter serotonin, which can increase feelings of overall happiness. Now, burn fat and feeling happy at the same time? This is my go-to snack. So the next time you crave for dessert, opt for a small amount of dark chocolate. Capsaicin found in chili peppers are known to help boost metabolism by slightly increasing the rate at which your body burns calories. Studies have shown that they may help your body burn around 50 extra calories per day. Besides that, according to a review of studies in nearly 200 people, consuming at least 2 milligrams of capsaicin directly before each meal appears to reduce calorie consumption, especially from carbs. So, spice up your meals and turn up the fat burn mode. We all know the importance of water, but did you know that your body needs water to process calories? Hence, if you're even slightly dehydrated, your metabolism may slow down. Experts suggest that drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water per day would increase your daily energy demand by at least 95 calories. So, keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. Some really simple tricks to drink more water daily is to drink a glass once you're up in the morning, and drink a glass of water before every meal. Or consume a healthy vegetable soup before your meal, and also snack on fresh fruits and vegetables which naturally contain water. Water helps to fill you up, which means those who drank more water will tend to eat less food. Now, what you want to avoid are sugary drinks and alcohol, as they contain empty calories but can add up over time and cause weight gain. Although almost all foods will increase your metabolism, These are some top foods that can give you a good kick to your metabolic rate and help you burn more calories, provided that you add a sufficient amount of physical activity with it. Even though we often link metabolism with weight loss, metabolism is responsible for so much more, such as having energy, mental clarity, and it is essentially the foundation of everything we do. Hence, remember that a healthy metabolism is the first step in helping your body in burning fat more efficiently throughout the day. And this is fundamentally achieved by pairing an active lifestyle with a well-balanced diet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you have learned some tips and tricks to start implementing into your fitness routine. And if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet done it. Go on to my YouTube channel and check out a lot more workout videos, nutrition tips, fitness tips, as well as healthy recipes. And I will see you in my next video. All the best!